If you really want to become profitable while trading binary options, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you some exclusive tips with my years and years of experience while trading binary options. And I'm not bluffing. Here you can see this is one of my VIP copy traders account who have made profitable trades today, and if I show you his all-time result, his profit is like $16,312. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be one of the important video that you will watch throughout your binary options trading career. So when I have just started to trade binary options, at that time I used to think I used to make huge amount of loss, and I used to think why only I am making the loss. But when I gradually started to learn each and everything about candlestick charts and about binary options, about forex, then gradually I started to understand few things which later helped me to become profitable while trading binary options. And today I provide copy trading service through Telegram channel, where you can join that Telegram channel for free. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And once you join that Telegram channel, then you will get some instructions that you need to follow to join my VIP copy trading channel, and there you will find my UID, which you can use to copy my trades directly in your account. And these are the exact things that I do while providing my copy trading service also. So watch this video very carefully to understand everything. So what happens in real business, if you see in real world, there are real businesses, over 90% of business fails in few years, and only 10%, 5% businesses are successful, because those 5% and 10% do something that those 90% businesses don't do. And in the same way, in this trading also, over 95% and 97% people lose their money while trading, either it is in binary options or forex. But there are 3%, 5%, 10% people who regularly makes money. It doesn't mean that they do not make loss. They do make loss, but in overall they are always profitable, and they follow few principle, which is the core thing that helps them to make profit. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into these core things. So first and important thing, so few days ago what happened was, like, we were making profit from lots of days, and suddenly for 2-3 days we made some loss, and all of my VIP copy trader were panicking, and they started to suggest me few things which I didn't listen at all, because I know from my experience that whatever they have suggested will result into loss. That's why I stick to my own principle, and again we have started to become profitable from today. Yesterday was Christmas, so we didn't make any trade because we need to enjoy the holidays too, right? So now what is the first thing that I want to tell you is, make less trade as possible. If you can make one trade in a month, that is best. If you can make one trade in a week, that is better. If you can make one trade in a day, that is good. What I see, most binary options traders, especially beginner, they make lots of trades and they will 100% make loss. I can write and give it to you. Making maximum amount of trade is not going to give you any profit while trading binary options. You need to have a mindset to make as low trade as possible. So let's say, for example, you have $100 in your account. I'm just giving you this example as an hypothetically. So let's say if you have $100 in your account, and if you decide to make $20 per trade, sorry, $20 trade per day. Okay, in one day you will only make $20 per trade. Then what you can do is, you can divide that $20 into 4 parts, okay, and make trade at the same time, same point. For example, market is at here, you think market will go up, press it 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and make that one trade. Don't be like making one trade in this chart, making another trade in another chart. Don't do that, because being right for the one time is extremely better than being right for the 4 time, which is close to impossible. You cannot become 4 times right a day, but you can become 1 time rights each and every day. And let's say you made profit for 3 days and made loss for 1 day, then that loss will be easily covered with that 3 days profit or the upcoming trades that are going to become profitable. Have that mindset in order to become profitable. Now let's move to step 2. So let's say you made 4 trade today and suddenly that went into loss. Now what you can do is you can add an step 2 there. Okay, you can make a second trade of 8 trades. I'm not telling you to use full martingale, but you can use semi martingale, like 1 trade, 3 trade, 9 trade. In that way martingale trades goes on, so that you can recover your previous loss and then some profit. In with that mindset, you can make trades 2 to 3 times in a day if you are facing loss, if you want to do that. Okay, so what happens, let's say you made 3 trades, that trade went into loss. Now if you make 6 trade and that trade went right, then you'll recover that 3 trade loss and make some profit for that day, and you can stop trading. So let's say you made 9 trade loss, then you can additionally make 12 trades if you want. If you don't want, you can stop there and move forward in your journey from the next day. But it's always your choice, your decision, and the experience that you will gain, you should use it. And do not bring the emotion in the middle. That is the hard thing. Don't think it is, I mean, it is your money, I can understand that, but don't get too much attached to that fund. Okay, just think it as a business and it as a number, and don't get too attached and try to do revenge trading, like 3 trade, 6 trade, 9 trade, 12 trade, 24 trade, 58 trade. Don't try to do that. I have done that in the past and it is not going to be fruitful for you in long term. That you need to understand. Now this last one is extremely important, which I have already told in my previous videos also, and I'll tell you in this video also. Please keep this thing in mind while using the strategy. There are lots of strategies, there are lots of indicators that you can use, but not all indicator, not all strategy is going to work for the 100% of the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. No matter whichever strategy or indicator you use, that will happen. So that is the reality. You need to accept that reality. And what you need to do is, before going to your real chart for trading with your real fund, what you do is you switch to demo account and load up your mind with 3 to 5 strategy that you think can give you best result. Learn that strategy properly and use that strategy firstly in demo account, and whichever strategy is giving you the right trades, the profitable trades for the maximum of the time, at that exact time when you are trading in demo account, then with that exact strategy switch to your real account and find the appropriate market and make trade. In that way you can increase your probability of making right trades extremely. And one of the important things that you should not miss is you should always learn about trading. Keep on feeding your mind with the information about strategies, about trading indicators, and how to use it and how to even properly use it. Keep on watching. There are lots of free videos available on YouTube. Not all are going to become beneficial for you, but if you continue to read, your brain will start to find the appropriate things that you actually need in your binary options trading journey. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.